Hey everyone! Whether you're vlogging, filming TikToks, or just want your vacation footage to look like it was shot by a pro, having buttery smooth video is an absolute must. And that's where smartphone gimbals come in. In today's video, we're revealing the best smartphone gimbals of 2025, tested, ranked, and reviewed for content creators, travelers, and everyday users who want the smoothest, most stable shots possible. From feature-packed flagships to pocket-sized stabilizers and budget beasts, we've got something for everyone. You'll find links to all the gimbals mentioned in the description below, so be sure to check those out for the latest prices and deals. And if you love getting the best tech recommendations, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another Consumer Picks breakdown. Let's dive in. Let's kick it off with a seriously underrated pick, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus. For under $100, this gimbal offers impressive stabilization and tracking features that punch way above its price tag. Now, don't expect luxury here. It's a bit larger and less sleek than premium models. But if you're just starting out or want a reliable stabilizer without emptying your wallet, this is the perfect entry point. It handles everything from an iPhone 16 Pro Max to a chunky Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it holds them steady with no sweat. You get multiple modes like pan follow, lock, POV, and inception. Subject tracking is smooth and surprisingly accurate, and the battery gives you a solid 12 hours of runtime. Whether you're filming your next travel vlog or just walking your dog and capturing the moment, this gimbal gets the job done. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't this list all about smartphone gimbals? Yes. But trust me, you'll want to hear about this one, because the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 isn't just a gimbal, it's a full-blown vlogging powerhouse in your pocket. Unlike every other pick on this list, you don't need to mount your smartphone at all. The Pocket 3 has its own camera, and not just any camera. We're talking 4K video at up to 120 FPS, full gimbal stabilization, and some of the smoothest motion control you'll ever see on such a tiny device. But what really blew us away during testing is how smart and seamless the Pocket 3 feels. It powers on in seconds, tracks faces automatically, supports motion time-lapses, and even pairs with external mics, which is huge if you care about audio quality. Vloggers, YouTubers, and solo filmmakers, this is a game-changer for your setup. Sure, it's more of a camera gimbal hybrid than a phone accessory, but if you're tired of draining your phone battery while shooting or want something dedicated to video, the Osmo Pocket 3 is 100% worth the investment. Up next is a fan favorite among mobile creators, the Insta360 Flow. Why do so many people love this gimbal? Simple. It's ultra-portable, smart, and insanely easy to use. The Flow folds down into a compact package you can toss in a jacket pocket. It comes with a built-in selfie stick and tripod, so whether you're filming hands-free or trying to nail the perfect high-angle shot, you're covered. It offers 12 hours of battery life, lightning-fast setup with no balancing required, and it snaps onto your phone with a magnetic clamp. Setup time? Maybe 10 seconds. It's a dream for spontaneous shooting. Best of all, the Insta360 app has some of the best subject tracking we've tested, and it even relocks onto your subject if they leave and come back into the frame. If you're filming on the move, especially for Reels, Shorts, or TikToks, the Flow is a game-changer. Taking it up a notch and sticking with Insta360, we've got the Flow 2 Pro, the best gimbal for iPhone users right now. It keeps everything that made the original Flow great: compact folding design, magnetic clamp, killer stabilization, and adds Apple Dock Kit support, so it can track faces in any app. That means FaceTime, Instagram Live, even Zoom, all with buttery tracking, no third-party app needed. It also features a free tilt mode, which gives you more flexibility in how you move your phone while keeping it stable. The controls have been cleaned up, and it includes a sturdier tripod that makes a huge difference when filming on uneven surfaces. Now, Android users, I'll be honest, you don't get the same magic tracking experience unless you're inside the Insta360 app. But for iPhone users, this is the most versatile, smart, and pocket-friendly gimbal you can get. Coming in hot at number 2 is one of DJI's newest entries in the mobile stabilization game, the Osmo Mobile 7P. And let me tell you, this is foldable magic done right. The magnetic clamp system makes attaching your phone super fast and secure. You just snap your phone on and boom, you're filming in seconds. And with active tracking, the 7P locks onto your face or subject and follows smoothly, whether you're walking, dancing, or even skateboarding. The built-in extension rod makes this the perfect gimbal for vloggers, solo travelers, or creators who want that wide-angle shot without needing an extra tripod. It's like having a gimbal, selfie stick, and tripod all rolled into one, and it folds down small enough to fit into a side bag. In terms of stabilization, it's classic DJI, rock solid, fluid, and reliable. The 3-axis motor system corrects every jitter and tilt, making your smartphone footage look cinematic right out of the box. Whether you're shooting vertical TikToks or horizontal YouTube content, the 7P handles both with ease. So if you want pro-level footage with zero hassle and a design that disappears into your bag when not in use, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P is your best bet for 2025. And finally, our top pick for 2025 is the Hohem iSteady M7. This is the only gimbal in its class that comes with a removable touchscreen remote, AI tracking that works across any app, and support for larger or even folding phones, up to 500 grams in weight and 12.5 mm in thickness. So yes, is your phone with a bulky case? Not a problem. The stabilization is buttery smooth, the customization options are endless, and the AI module even doubles as a powerful LED fill light with adjustable brightness and color. That means you're not just stabilizing your video, you're enhancing it. It's not pocket-sized like others, but it's not trying to be. This is the pro-level option for serious smartphone filmmakers, vloggers, or content creators who want total control and next-gen features that honestly feel like the future. If you want the most powerful, advanced mobile gimbal in 2025, the Hohem iSteady M7 is it. All right, that wraps up our countdown of the best smartphone gimbals of 2025. Whether you're shooting your first vlog, creating pro-level content, or just want smoother vacation videos, one of these stabilizers is sure to elevate your game. All product links are down in the description, so don't forget to check them out for the latest prices and deals. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Which gimbal are you grabbing this year? Thanks for watching Consumer Picks, and we'll see you in the next one.